Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, this is not a Halloween tutorial. This is my October BoxyCharm. I haven't done a BoxyCharm in a while, so I saw that there were some crazy products in there, so I thought I would show you guys. So we are going to reach in and see what I have here. Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm from Pharmacy. So you open it up and it's got a little protective thing. It smells really fresh and it's just like a creamy consistency. I've never really used anything that's supposed to melt away your makeup, so it feels like it would be super hydrating. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth, and it retails for $22. This is another skincare product, Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Here, and it says it comes with two. Okay, so here's the little mask, Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. And it's got two of these lace things in here. What? Should I try it on? Oh my gosh, it goes around your ears. Hold on, let me read it first. What's it say? Cleanse and dry face. Apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to areas where peel paste is applied. Place ear slits securely around ears. Pull ends of chin strap up and loop over ears. And then wear it for 20 minutes. What on earth is happening? What? Oh my gosh. Look at my ears. Is this for real? So apparently you put the mask on and then you put this over and then you peel it off. Okay, so that one is definitely interesting. I have to give that a shot. So I've only ever tried one other black charcoal mask and it hurt like hell when you took it off. So I don't know, hopefully this one doesn't hurt. Okay, and that mask retails for $30. It says it's a detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask, offers spa-like extraction results. Cool. Right. The next thing is this palette, and this is from Pure Cosmetics, Midnight Masquerade. It's a face palette. Ooh, this is pretty. So this is what it looks like here. It's got a little mirror. I mean, that's a decent size. So it looks like, it smells like frosting. So there's Twilight, Hidden Secret, Reveal, Enchantment. That looks really dark for a blush. You could probably use it on the eyes. And then Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, and 12 a.m. They're very pretty. You guys want to see some swatches? If you guys have been getting BoxyCharm for a while, do you guys remember that trio from Pure that had a bronzer, a highlighter, and a blush? Don't those three right there look just like that? Oh my goodness. That's funny. So, okay, those are the face products. They're really pretty, but I mean, there's no way that I could wear that as a blush. It'd be way too dark. On a run from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind. Pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by. Okay, so those are really pretty. The whole palette's really pretty, I like it. Okay, I'm just gonna try putting a little bit of these on my face. I'm not gonna do anything too crazy because it is actually almost my bedtime. I'm gonna try a little bit of this bronzer. I'm not sure, like it's got a shimmer in it, so I'm not really sure how that's gonna look, but. Away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. Yeah, I don't know about that, guys. It's got shimmer. How are you supposed to use that? Like, how are you supposed to use a shimmer bronzer? I have no idea. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of my Nightingale palette, which this is from a couple months ago from BoxyCharm, and just do a little bit color. I'm gonna try this Mask Off color. It's kind of like a greeny, like an olive color.
So we're just gonna try putting a little bit of this on. See what happens.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving.
All right, I'm gonna take this disguise color, this like kind of purpley color, and just pop a little bit of this on the lid.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between.
I just wanted to try a little bit of it for you guys. I think I will try the highlighter. This is called Twilight. I'm gonna take a little bit of this and just try some highlighter on.
The jars and bottle jack, just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Okay, that's pretty. I feel like Pure always has like really pretty highlighters. So the next thing I have, this is from It Cosmetics. This is their Superhero Mascara. And I've tried this before. I've had a sample of it before. This is a very interesting little mascara tube. I like it. So this retails for $24 and wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic strength technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. This is what the wand looks like. Okay, I really like this mascara. I have a feeling I'm gonna be using this probably daily. I really, really like this one. Yay! I'm already gonna say right now I'm disappointed because I got an email saying the color I got in this. This is a Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Hawkwind. BoxyCharm, please stop sending me dark lipsticks. They just don't look good on me, or I just don't like them. I like my nudes. So this is a Kat Von D. It's very, very pretty. I love the packaging. I did actually see some other people get like a nude color. I was so bummed that I didn't get that one. So this one retails for, it's an Everlasting Liquid Lip, retails for $20. Like I said, Kat Von D. And just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna try it on for you guys. Don't laugh. Alright you guys, that does it for my BoxyCharm this month. Oh, let me tally it up for you guys and let you know what it's worth. If you guys aren't familiar with BoxyCharm, it's $21 a month. It's a subscription makeup box. You get 5 to 6 usually full-size makeup items, and they're normally high-end. I'm so tired. It's late. This box retails for $134 and we only pay $21 for it. So, and that's including shipping. So BoxyCharm is a great deal. I've gotten it for probably like 6 months now, I think. Well, maybe longer, I don't know. I really like it. I had Ipsy for a while and had to cancel that, but I'm very happy with BoxyCharm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep